What's up, traders? I'm up $910 today. We're going to talk about the two trades I took, why they worked so well, the money that I left on the table, and how important it is to stay flat, or at least we'll say break even, just stay without a big loss on choppy days so you can take advantage of trending days like this. Now, yesterday, was a very choppy day. Today, we see a completely different market that some people, maybe you, are wishing you would have some gunpowder still dry from yesterday to take advantage of the moves today. So let's just look at this first from Evan's tweet. He said, you should be trying to survive days like Monday, no trend, no direction, no strength. This is not the price action that will make your P&L. This was Monday's price action. If you remember, Monday, I had a short that we squeaked out for a small break even, and then a second short here that ended up making my day profitable, but very, very sideways here, as you can see. He then goes on to say, you should be maximizing gains on Tuesday, clean trend, clear direction, repeatable entries. This is the price action that will pay. This is what will make your week and month. And this is the price action on Tuesday. So you can see, and we're going to go over this in detail, the sell-off at the open, we bounce, and we use that opening range high for a beautiful retest off New York VWAP as well to see that second leg, and then even a third leg here at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So 3 strong pushes on the price action on Tuesday. Compare that to the chop on Monday, and you can see why his point is so valid. You want to make sure you're not blowing your load, blowing your account, whatever you want to call it. You want to make sure you have gunpowder dry for days like Tuesday that normally come right after a day like Monday. So let's go over these trades. First was a pre-market trade. My whole thing this year, especially this month, has been trading on the right side of VWAP, right? So we're long here right before 7:30, right off that VWAP. We've been above the overnight VWAP all night. I'm buying it as it comes back through. It drops, comes back through. I'm buying it there with an 8-point stop. I take a little bit of drawdown, but not much, and I'm able to close that trade here, as you can see, in profit for about a 10-point win. Great. Easy start to the day off that overnight VWAP. Loving that. Then, after the move up, I'm long again on a separate account from Tradeify. I have my aggressive account and my conservative account. Now I'm in on my second account. This is at like 10:47 Eastern time. Higher low, high of day VWAP broke. I mean, this is a textbook high of day VWAP break that we teach in Futures 101. If you're not on ASFX TV, if you don't know about Futures 101, I will put a link below. Futures 101 and 2.0 are our free courses. This is where we stream every day, but it's also where we host our courses. This will teach you exactly what I'm talking about as far as high of day VWAP break like this trade. And you can see my entry here with the blue arrow and my exits here. Risk 10, make 11, super clean. Made almost $1,000 on these two trades. Now, this was the move at the open. We sold off initially, and on stream, we started to want to get long here at previous day VWAP. Quickly, it moves to New York VWAP. And once it takes New York VWAP, you basically have like a minute and a half before this thing is too far, back up into the 60-42, 60-45, and it's too high. Can't chase it. So you really had to be quick this morning at market open and then into that 9:50, 10 o'clock, 10:10. So there was really 2 or 3 minutes this morning to act and get the right price, either buying previous day VWAP or buying the New York VWAP as we came back through. So that was really what I was seeing in the morning. So I had to stay patient to try to find that long. Now, I wasn't patient enough. You can see I made money here. There's that winning trade. But really, this was the pullback to the New York VWAP that you wanted, because the stop can go inside the range, where if it breaks back inside the range, you don't want it, but we should bounce off that VWAP. Now it's outside the opening range, and that's exactly what we do. Now that carries over into another trade, even like I said, at 2:30, equal lows here, tested, high of day VWAP broken. Again, textbook entry and stop loss from Futures 101 and Futures 2.0, the courses that we have. And that'll run right to those equal highs here, at least, and then you can trail it higher if you'd like. Last thing on this day, this is the Brian Shannon, don't buy the rip, don't buy the dip, buy the high of day VWAP break. Here it is. This is that beautiful New York VWAP retest that creates the rip. Don't just chase that. Then it starts to dip. Don't just buy as it's falling. It's in an uptrend, so you want to be on the right side of the VWAP. You want to be buying it, but don't just throw buys in here. Wait for the high of day VWAP break. That's where you look to get long, and that's where you make the easiest win. So maybe that's the title of this video. Don't buy the rip, don't buy the dip, buy the high of day VWAP break. That was the price action today. Evan broke that down beautifully in this tweet. I'm really looking forward to this seminar coming up in May. I will have info out for you guys all over my socials probably next week. We're going to be in Tampa. It's going to be May 1st and May 2nd. I will have a small block of hotel rooms on discount for you as well. Tickets are only going to be $500, so they're going to go quickly. So I'll let you know through Twitter when those tickets are going to go on sale. There's only 40 available, so they're going to go quickly. Evan will be there. We're going to have Joey Morgan there, Tanner, the strong trader, Zach Boyajian from Real Deal Futures, Isaac from Big Tick Energy. All these guys that are VWAP and volume profile guys, they're going to come and speak as well. So it's going to be a jam-packed event. So I'll have more info on that for you guys in a couple of days. Just stay followed me on Twitter. That's where I'm always going to post about it the most. Other than that, hopefully you learned something in this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future ones. And I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow morning.